नमस्कार। कैसे हैं आप सब? अच्छा जल्दी जल्दी से बताओ मेकअप कैसा लग रहा है मेरा? अगर पसंद आ रहा है तो जानना चाहोगे कैसे किया मैंने? भाई राखी आने वाली है, ऑब्वियसली थोड़ा बहुत सजना तो सबको होगा और राखी के हिसाब से सटल मेकअप चाहिए होता है हमें, जो कि यार हम मतलब 2-3 चीज़ें हैं जो हमें ध्यान रखनी चाहिए, क्योंकि हम एक दिन का फंक्शन अटेंड कर रहे हैं, हम एक फेस्टिव घर का छोटा सा फंक्शन कर रहे हैं, तो वी हैव टू मेक अ लुक वेरी सटल। तो ये जो मैंने अभी जो मेकअप लुक क्रिएट किया हुआ है, दैट मेकअप लुक आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू हाउ आई हैव क्रिएटेड, सो दैट आपको थोड़ी बहुत हेल्प मिल जाए जब आप अपनी राखी के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हो। So now, without wasting any time further, let's get started. But उससे पहले अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को, आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हो और मेरे चैनल को आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल स्टे परफेक्टली इम्परफेक्ट को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर देना। अच्छा चलो आप चलते हैं, ओके? सो स्टार्टिंग विद द मेकअप पार्ट। सबसे पहले मैंने अपने फेस को वॉश कर लिया है प्रॉपरली। आई हैव अप्लाइड टोनर एंड मॉइस्चराइजर अलॉन्ग विद द सनस्क्रीन। सो नाउ माई फेस इज रेडी to apply makeup. Now before applying makeup, what I'll do just prep up my face. For this I'm using MAC Prep and Prime in the shade Pink Light. It holds your makeup very firmly. So just few pumps and let it dry for some time. As you can see now it's dried. So now what the next thing I'm going to use is a corrector. Basically you can skip this part if you don't have a corrector, then it's okay, but I use because right now my skin is not at its best. It's going through a lot of things, so much of pimple and everything, so I'm just using a corrector for right now. So for that what I'm going to do is simply just where I have the spots, so very little amount I'll take and see under eye. I'll take a very little amount in the under eye, and this is the area where we have a lot of pigmentation, so I will apply some here also. So you can see I have corrected all parts where I have dark spots. You can use your finger or a blender. Basically if you are using your finger, so use your third finger because it applies the least of pressure, so that would be good. So मैं आपको finger से ही करके दिखाती हूँ. Now the next thing that you're going to do is applying a foundation. So for this I'm using MAC Studio Fix Liquid Foundation. This is a very nice foundation. It gives you full coverage. So taking this, so you have to take a little bit amount of product. सबसे अच्छी बात जो MAC के products की है वो ये है कि you need very little amount of the product. See like this one. So just apply it properly and start mixing. So now foundation is ready, so you can see how it's looking like. And now the next thing that I'm going to use is a concealer. So for the concealer I'm also using LA Girl Pro Concealer. So basically now if you are seeing कि कुछ भी थोड़ी बहुत जगह छूटी रह गई है जो कि आपकी cover नहीं हो पाई है, so you can use concealer here. So I'm just using a little bit on my this one under eye, this upper portion of eye, because here I'm going to apply eyeshadow. So I just want that if you are applying concealer, then eyeshadow will not look cakey and something like that. So mixing this up now. So now I have applied correct foundation, concealer and everything. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to do my eyes. So starting for eyes, first of the thing that I'm going to do is doing my brows. So for doing brows, I'm basically, you can use eyebrow pencil, anything that you want to use. But now what I'm going to do is I'm taking this eyeshadow palette, and this is the Maybelline Nudes eyeshadow palette. And I am taking this particular, this shade from this palette, that's black. So what I will going to do is I'm taking this flat short brush. I'm taking a little amount of the product and will start filling my eyebrows. So now my brow is ready. What I'm going to do is next I'm going to apply an eyeshadow. So before applying eyeshadow, I just tell you to apply a good amount of compact, so that because in our eyes there are so many fine lines, so I just apply the compact. Actually I am just applying a red lipstick, so I will try to move around the colors which will match with the red lipsticks. So the one thing that I want to tell you that since this is a festive makeup, don't try to be very loud, okay? As it's a day function, because हम राखी घर पे बांधते हैं, it's not a very big function kind of thing. So make it very subtle and soft. This is a palette from Makeup Revolution. So starting with, I'm going to take this pinkish and this reddish shade mixture. So starting with that, I am taking a dome shape brush, okay, and starting with the color. So I'll take a color and just try to apply it in the see. So I have applied this in the crease in here. So now for this I will take a golden shade for the outer brow bone. So to make that transition, yeah, do like that. A little bit amount of powder, so to make the transition very smooth. This eyeshadow part is done. Now what I'm going to do next is applying a lipstick. So for applying a lipstick, I'm going to use this particular lip liner from Nykaa. It's Nykaa Lips Don't Lie. So after applying the lip liner, I'm going to use this lipstick, red lipstick. It's from NYX Simply Red. So if you don't like this kind of glittery finish in your lipstick, then one thing that you can do is take a napkin, okay, just take a napkin, just fold it like that, and So the extra product will be in this, and you will get a matte finish on the same hand. So now I'm going to use as a contour and a particular blush. So for contouring and blushing, I'm going to use this MAC Lakme Absolute Illuminating Shimmer Pack. So for contouring, I'm taking an angular brush. Okay, so I'll take an angular brush, take a little bit of contour and do like this. So the little contour around your nose. It will just, highlight the nose bones a little bit on here. So it will give an enhanced look. Now for a particular blush, I'm going to use the same shade here. You can use the upper one also or the low one. Right now I'm going to use a low one. So I'll take this one a little bit. So the blush is done. I'm going to use as a highlighter. For the highlighter, I'm taking Pro Concealer highlighter only. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just apply it with the help of my finger. So I'll take a little bit of product in my fingers and I'll just highlight here. So you can use a beauty blender to mix it properly, and then so see, this is the highlighter. Similarly, I'm going to take few and help of your beauty blender. So after applying highlighter, each and everything, now I'm going to complete my look with the help of liner, mascara. So starting with the liner. So I'm using this Lakme Absolute liner. I personally love this liner. So because it creates a very thin line above your lashes. So I'll start like that. Applied the liner. So now to give more enhanced look, I will be using blue liner. It's from Nykaa. It's Nykaa Glamorize in the color Blue Hex 01. So I'll apply a very little bit of this. So see, I have applied the blue liner above my black liner, and after that I'm going to use a mascara. So for this I'm going to use Colossal Big Shot mascara. I love because it gives you very nice enhanced uplift look for your eyelashes. After applying mascara, the last thing what I'm going to do for my eyes is applying a kajal. For this, I am using this Plum Studio Kajal, and this is awesome. So I'll just apply this in the little bit in the waterline. don't want kajal that much, so I'll just apply a very so all set. This is the complete finalized look of my makeup. So now I'm going to pair it up with few things to complete my look. So I hope आप लोगों को मेरा फेस्टिव मेकअप लुक जो है वो पसंद आया होगा. And if you have liked this, please share this video with your friends, family, and also please subscribe to my channel Stay Perfectly Imperfect. And कर लो यार सब्सक्राइब. ऐसे अच्छे अच्छे वीडियोस मैं बनाती रहती हूँ और बनाती रहूँगी, तो क्यों मिस करना, करेक्ट? And at last but not least, believe in the philosophy of loving yourself. Bye bye.